I'm back again, and this time I want to talk to you a little bit about manifestation. And I'm gonna walk by this house that's gonna start recording me. But back in 2018, just a little story time here. 2018 manifestation story time. I was getting into personal development, self development, and they're like, you should, one thing you do, like project of the day, vision board. So I did. I can put that here too. There it is. And I got all the pictures together, clipped from a lot of things on the website and everything. I would have normally done this, by the way, but I cut my time short when I was coming up and done with Toastmasters, but I'm doing this now. But anyway, vision board, back to the vision board. I found photos of things that I wanted in my life, like production team here and there. Noticed the big thing of the production team, more on that in a second. And I placed little things on there. Here's the house that records. I placed stuff on there on the vision board, things I want, and put it together. There it is. I don't know if you can hear that. Alright, so the vision board's created. Fast forward to now. I'm looking at my parents. I'm a little out of breath. My parents, and this is like wobbly. It's still wobbly. Fixing it as I go. My parents are in this vision board workshop, and I already did mine, as I just explained. Wow. Can you sit still? This is not sitting still. This is very okay. Anyway, they're in this vision board workshop. Like I created mine. So I said on something else that was going on, I had like 3 video workshops that I had to sit on myself that I wanted to be in. 2-day workshops here, another one here and there. So I'd let them do their vision board, and I'd do my thing. Since one, I already did mine. I need to yawn. Okay. Now I'm back. I'm showing my mom mine. And I'm looking at one of the pictures like, wait a minute. I knew I talked to one of them in 2018 on my podcast. You can find that link here. I knew I talked to one of them, Joe Lutherman. But I've been like connected with one of his brothers, and who I've been talking with here and there throughout the years. And that same team, guess what we're like talking about now, like starting a project involving, well, his Joey's friends and everything, and having them involved to like shoot, put together a shot list and shot sheet and everything, and having them go shoot a bunch of things with their production company. And it's the team that I placed on my vision board, the exact people. So I manifested an exact team, not just a team, but the exact team several years later of who I'd be kind of working with. Not directly in a way, but like on the same project, which is still cool. I manifested the exact team that I'd be working with on a project. And I think that's cool. It's like, that's pretty cool. Like I'm connected with these guys. It's pretty cool. I talked to one of them for sure. That was pretty cool. I got in contact with the agent, and I got on the podcast talk with Joey too. That was back in 2018. But that was a little bit about manifestation. I thought I'd share that story on with coming back on these videos here on the YouTube platform. Stick around for more. I'll have more topics coming for sure. that's all I got now. Manifest dreams, put together a vision board. You don't know the power of manifestation until you see it happen, and I did. But peace out for now, and I'll talk to you later.